Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV horse breaking news. New insights into the dietary habits of desert isopods and how the multifaceted elements guiding their food selection. The study reveals that these creatures carefully balance their nutrient intake, favoring biological soil crusts over plant litter, which illuminates the complex web of trophic interactions. By examining the specific eating patterns of desert isopods, this research enhances our comprehensions of the delicate relationships among organisms and their habitats, providing valuable implications for ecosystem management and conservation efforts. A new study published in Ecology Letters illuminates the intricate nutritional and functional dynamics influencing the dietary choices of desert isopods. The research led by Professor Durer Haolana from the Hebrew University's Institute of Life Science and conducted by Dr. Moshe Jaguri in collaboration with Professor David Raun Ben Hamor from the University of Sydney reveals the complex factors that shape food selections among these fascinating creatures. Foods are complex mixtures of chemical compounds provided in various levels of digestibility that humans and animals ingest for nutritional support. Often, animals need to ingest several food types in order to fulfill their multidimensional nutritional needs and may suffer health consequences by not eating the needed nutrients in specific quantities and ratios. Understanding what considerations influence dietary choices is thus a very important but extremely challenging question to study. The author addressed this challenge by focusing on the simple but mysterious diet of the desert isopods, an interesting species of pillbug that eats dry leaves and large quantities of nutritionally poor biological soil crust that harbor many microorganisms. The researchers feed isopods with natural and artificial foods and found that when allowing a choice, isopod can tightly regulate their food consumptions to meet a very specific ratio of proteins, sugars, and calcium. Isopods receive most of their proteins and sugars from dry leaves and eat soil crust to meet their very high calcium needs. The exoskeleton of isopods is made of calcium carbonates that they must consume in large quantities to grow. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.